So now we need to make sure that we have all the equipment that is necessary for brewing, and as you can see, there's a lot going on here. Some of the equipment might be a little bit difficult to find, but what we've selected for you today are things that you can pretty easily get anywhere in the world. For the equipment, here is what you'll need. A scale of up to 2 kilograms, measuring cups, large stainless steel mixing bowls, an all-purpose steamer pot, but not an electric one, a large mesh drainer colander, a hemp steamer liner, a baking cooling rack, a large cheesecloth that can be used for spreading and cooling the rice, 2 wooden or rubber spatulas, some star san or 70% ethanol solution for sterilization, paper towels, a food-grade vessel with wide rims up to 5 liters, a filter bag, a funnel, and a bottle. As for the ingredients, you'll need short-grain sticky glutinous rice, nuruk, which is the Korean fermentation starter, and filtered or bottled water. So there you have it. That's everything you need to get started brewing Korean alcohol in your own home. In the next video, Dan's going to get you started on washing, measuring, and steaming some rice.